Hey, Pretty Bird flock. We're taking a little evening walk with Pretty Bird. Yeah, let's go see. We're going to go check and see if that puddle is still there. What, Pretty? It's okay. It's okay. Yep. It's probably like, why are there so many bugs? No, Pretty Bird's puddle is gone. Oh, no. See, guys, this is what Pretty Bird's puddle was last time. It's all dried up. Like I said, puddles like that, they don't stay around for long. Uh-oh, Pretty Bird's sweating. She's drooling. Let's get her a snack. You want to hold that for her? Yeah. Thank you. You ready for some num-nums? It's the end of the day now, guys. But it's still very hot here in Arizona. Pretty Bird, here you go, babies. Come on. Pretty Bird is a very, very spoiled goose. It's okay, hold on. You're a good girl, Pretty Bird. There you go. Nom nom. Now Pretty Bird can cool off a little bit. So here's the other thing I do to help Pretty Bird cool off when it's hot out. I'm not going to do it with the white one. I'm going to use the gray one. And I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to soak it in the water. Make it really nice and wet. Now I'm going to put it back on her. And this will provide kind of like a little bit of coolant for Pretty Bird. Hi, Pretty Bird. Hi. 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 Hey there. Hi, dear Shelly. Oh, Shelly Bird. Pretty. Oh, she's following you. Go backwards. She wants to. Corner. Go backwards. Corner. Huh? Corner. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Big bird. What, you want your water some more? You want some more water? No, where's my water? Here's your water. Here's your water. Here's your water. No. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come in the shade, baby. Come in the shade. Come on. Here, bird. Come here. Nom noms. Are you coming? Come on. Come in the shade, baby. Nom nom nom. There you go. There you go. Here, I got it. So what do you think, Dee Dee? Do you think people think it's strange that come here, this way, that we walk our pet goose?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think people think it's a little strange that we even have a goose.
Right? That one gentleman just rode past us on a bike, right? And he was like, whoa, that's cool. That was silly, right?
I think I should have brought a hat.
You're all right. Here, come. You can stand in the shade if you want to. The sun is going down. It is past 6 p.m. Well, it's about 6 o'clock. And it is still hot.
I think I just saw a bee.
Oh, Pretty Bird. Are you enjoying your num-nums? What? You see the bugs? I think Pretty Bird's weirded out by all the tiny bugs. What are you doing?
I was crushing a leaf, so I guess she wanted to too.
She copying you.
Yep. Good bird. Healy Goose. Oh yes.
Are you sweaty? Are you sweaty? It's okay. Oh, Pretty Bird's happy to be grazing. One of the things I'm looking forward to, that once we move, we're going to live in an area where it doesn't get this hot.